In our series of Wondershare Filmora film editor tutorials for the beginners, in this video I will show you a very good feature which have been introduced by the Filmora, and that is the silence detection. And with the help of this feature you can automatically remove the silence from within your video, so you don't need to delete those spaces in which there are silences like this one. The video editor, through its artificial intelligence, is going to detect this silence and it is going to remove it automatically. Step, I have a small clip which I have made for this tutorial. I have brought that clip into my timeline. As you can see that this clip is about 1 minute. So now, before using this silence detection feature, my advice would be that you first remove this noise from your video or from your audio, and that you can do by double clicking the clip, going to the audio, check this remove background noise and click OK. The silence detection feature can be accessed through two ways. One, by doing the right click on your clip, and then here you can find this silence detection feature. By clicking this icon you can also access the silence detection feature. So once you will click this, another window will open in which the system is going to detect the silence and it is going to automatically cut the video into different pieces. Now it has automatically edited the video, and there are few clips which are dull in color and there are few clips which are bright. So the clips which are bright in color, there is a audio in that and it is going to retain that clip, whereas these clips are with silence and they will be removed. So before I export this edited version into my timeline, one thing which I want to mention here is the parameters. Here the default volume 25% is going to be taken as the threshold, which means that anything which has a volume lesser than 25 will be considered as a silence and will be deleted. And so by default this minimum duration means 0.5 seconds, means that if the silence is less than 0.5 seconds it will not be deleted, but if the duration of the silence is more than 0.5 seconds it will be deleted. But I would advise you to make it 0, which means that even if there is a silence of 0.1 seconds it will be detected and it will be removed. So in this case your video will be very fast paced and it will be without any pauses. So once you change any of these parameters, you have to click the start button again, and now as you can see that it has put more cut within this clip, meaning by that whatever the silence was there which was lesser than 0.5 seconds, it has also been removed. Clip right from here, and if you think that the artificial intelligence or this video editor has wrongly deleted a clip, you can simply select that clip and from here you can click this I button, which means that now this clip would not be deleted. And if you want to delete it, you can simply click this I with the cross button, which means that you have decided to let's say delete this part of the video, considering it as a silence. And once you are satisfied, you just need to click the export to timeline. And now you can see that previously our clip was about 1 minute and it has now been reduced to lesser than 40 seconds. It's around 35 seconds now. So we can see that now there are no pauses in this clip. And now let me show you the clip which was with pauses, and then I will play this clip which is without pauses. This is a sample short video which I'm making for a tutorial in which I will be using this video. Okay, now I'm going to play this clip in which you would be able to see that all the pauses or all the silence have been deleted. This is a sample short video which I'm making for a tutorial in which I will be using this video, and the tutorial is, so basically this is a feature which is not a part of the Filmora. You have to separately buy this silence detection feature as an add-on. So if you want to buy this add-on, or if you want to buy the Wondershare Filmora editor, we would highly appreciate that if you buy it through our link which is given in the description below. It is an affiliate link, meaning by that if you will buy through our link, we'll get a small commission, but you don't have to pay anything extra. You will be paying the same price which you would otherwise be buying from their website. So do check out this feature by clicking the link which is given in the description and visiting. In any case, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.